What's up, everybody? Today we're making a new game that's gonna be way better than a monkey simulator thing. So basically, the premise of this game is that basically it's a round type game, but there's one dinosaur player, and then the rest are dinosaur. The rest are builders. You basically build a way, do or hide or do whatever it takes to not be killed by the dinosaur, aka also tritrops. I think, I don't know how to say it, but like this dinosaur. And then basically the if a dinosaur kills everybody, the dinosaur wins. If you hide from a dinosaur long enough, you win, and everybody else. So yeah, let's begin making this. Also, you get money for like other stuff. I don't know what it will add really, but yeah, so let's begin. Okay, there we go. So now we got money. Also, let me show you around. So here we got the team stuff. Obviously, I'm at the lobby. This is supposed to be the lobby. Obviously, I'm planning to make it like some sort of prehistoric island looking thingy, because, you know, dry drops, and it's not alive anymore, you know. They died about 66 million years ago. So rest in peace, Triceratops, you'll never be forgotten. Maybe you're watching this in the future, like 1 million years, and then it's like 67. Okay, so I want to actually start working on the round system thingy. And also, yep, I'm canceling the monkey game. I mean, you can still play it if you want, but I'm just not really planning to like work on it anymore. And I also want to add the global messages things onto this game, so just give me. Alright, chat, so I got everything here. You may recognize these. Boom, alright, so we also got the settings. I found this fire music. You know what? Whenever I want to add like a custom, how do I say? Whenever I add these admin panels, it takes so long and is so annoying. So why not just make it into a pack? Like a free model that only I can use. So no, if you want it, you gotta create it yourself. Let's okay find some new click sounds and stuff. Alright. That's... Wait, maybe that could sound good. Okay. That could work, maybe. I want something like good. What? That is a perfect hover sound. Yeah, and I have an idea for UI. What if I make it like some sort of paper? Or maybe like a rock. No, paper. To make it look more like old and prehistoric, because this sounds so satisfying. I don't know why, it just sounds so satisfying. Also, let's actually change the settings UI a tiny bit, because this looks like poop. Like, I'm not even joking. Like, I think this the first thing that makes you think of it is poop. Yeah, I know, it's horrible. Now, I do actually want to do one thing. Okay, so I made it. If I basically want to add multiple buttons, instead of duplicating, moving it manually, I can just duplicate it, and it basically auto moves like this, which I think is a personally cool system. It's made by this UI grid layout. If you want to learn more about it, just watch the tutorial. It's quite complicated, but at the same time, it's not complicated. Okay, now I have an idea which uses UI gradient, which if you don't know, basically allows you to mix colors. And I'm planning to like mix like dark grayish with like a light gray color, and basically make it everything have a custom color. Now, for this area, aka the background, we're gonna turn it into, guess what? Where's the colors? Where's the colors option? There we go. What? Okay, so I understood I selected the wrong thing. My fault. But I'm planning to make it like this color. I think it fits the best. Then I'm gonna select all the text and change it. For now, we're gonna use this font. But in the future, we're gonna change it. Let's also change the close button, because technically it's the same font. I mean, the last game's same font thingy. Right, I selected the wrong text. Okay, what is it? Oh my god, I just... Okay, so I actually changed it from like this from this very small to big animation to slide up and down. Now I wish I could just press it again to like make it slide down, so I'm gonna do that. But we'll do that later. And if you press, it's actually really satisfying. And obviously we got this. So yeah, pretty much we're done. Okay, boom. So now if we press this, it will open it, and if we press it again. Okay, but that may be a bug, but if you just spam it, it kind of breaks, so yeah, but it eventually opens again. So yeah, we're done. Okay, so I have this basic like round system. Give it a second for it to start. Oh, the music, of course. There we go. It's loading in. Here's the other screen. So as you can see, this is a very template UI, and basically I'm the builder, and if I die, technically the dinosaur, it says dinosaur wins. So now I get teleported, and then it says 10 seconds. It's in the output, you can't really see it. And then obviously I'm guessing that if the dinosaur dies, yeah, that's the only issue. If the dinosaur dies, it just, yeah, so I need to fix that. Okay, so now I want to actually add the UI on text. So basically, I think if we added like a string value and call it like round UI text. Let's put it in a folder to make it clean. Probably like values. So now we can like change it to whatever you want. So for example, we can change it to like round starting soon. This is template. And then when the service changes this code, the client for the text will basically automatically change it to what's here. So I can basically change the text in server without having to use like remote events. Okay, so I think that, well, we got the music. I think it should work. I hope. Seems like it ain't working. Okay, so I think now it should, yes. So now we got the text. Okay, well, that's not supposed to happen. That is an easy fix. So now if a dinosaur dies, boom. So pretty much it would normally print this in the output, but now it's just saying it in game. So yeah. Okay, now that we're done with the basic how do I say? With the basic, oh my god. With the basic round system, now I can build the dinosaur. Now, I could just go into a toolbox, say search up dinosaur and get it, but I'm too lazy and probably they're not even gonna be well animatable. So I'm gonna take my skills from Escape Passive for Brainrots and build my very own Tritrops. Actually, I changed my mind. I actually found this very good model somehow. Even though it may not be professionally built. Just look at this walking animation, dude. Like, it actually looks like a good dinosaur model. So maybe I will use this for now, and maybe in the future I'll like change it up because I don't really got time to like do anything. Okay, so I done the dinosaurs. So now the only issue is that whenever I try to morph myself, I can't like leave it here for some reason. Like, okay, so this should hopefully work, and if it doesn't, I'm literally like gonna make, I don't know, like a giant poop in the lobby that you can do something with it. Stop recording, Okay, so round should start. Hey, that actually works. But actually, yeah. Now let's say we die, right? In Roblox, not real life. Alright, dinosaur wins. And yeah, we die. And boom. Now let's actually give that dinosaur model like a hitbox, so whenever anybody touches it, they die pretty much. So yeah. Okay, so I made the building tools, obviously. I'm sorry, this is just so satisfying anyways. So, well, we got the delete tool. It's literally just an X, and then we got this build tool. Now it doesn't actually work, so we need to fly over to here because it only works here. I know, such a professional build. Yeah, so it is very buggy. Like, I mean, it isn't the best. Like, this would happen, which photo capability warning. Yeah, which could probably kill a person, but it's like, dude, why are you breaking? Now, boom, now we gotta, oh my god, it's literally like a gambling. Yeah, every time you build, you gotta pray that it puts in the right area. Go, let's go, no. So pretty much you gotta go like first person, and then it's actually possible to build. Yeah, I can actually build now. If you just look at that perfect corner, it just breaks. But for some reason, if you look at this corner, you're fine. I really don't know why, but okay. Wait. Alright, so if we fly, go, and fly. Boom. So now if you place a block, it actually fits perfectly with this like grid system, this grid texture. You see this grid texture? Now you can actually like perfectly fits. So it's actually satisfying to build. Now I'm planning to adding a limit, because you could probably just cover the entire map, or it will quickly block out the dinosaur. So we need to make a dinosaur to be able to like break blocks. So basically the dinosaur can like unanchor, like run into here, and like unanchor like these blocks so they like break the tower or something. Or I guess just like break the entire thing. Okay, now before we make the block system, you do gotta give some dinosaurs some changes. So what we want to do is give it like a hitbox that if a builder touches, basically they'll die, because well, you can't actually kill the like builders as a dinosaur. So pretty much, if you're a dinosaur, you will always lose, really. So we gotta add like a hitbox. I'll probably make it like force field color, because that just for some reason makes sense. I don't know if I should keep the hitbox or should I just remove it. I feel like I'll just keep it. And yes, this is the hitbox, so I'll call it hitbox and put it inside the dinosaur. We do gotta make it can't collide set to false, so you know it does. So it's not like, you know, you get the point. Alright, chat. So, wait, it didn't really teleport us. What? Oh, well, we got the stupid music. Okay. Please work. Please. So that disappeared. Okay, it worked. We did get 2 tools, but it's out. Okay, I understand. Please work. I've been doing this for so long, like 2 hours. Oh my god, man. It's wasting my summertime, dude. I should be on vacation. Okay, so it actually works. It's just to the side. Yeah, I think I can only place it like underground for some reason. So like I can place it on like on top of these blocks, but hey, at least it's actually possible to build now. Like it's not complicated. So actually give me a sec. Please, Roblox Studio, I need this. My game is kinda buggy. I live with ChatGPT. I wanna like make a good game. Oh my god. So the problem is that like I can't really. You hear my mouth. I'm pressing it only allows me to put like on around the blocks, not like actually on the floor, so that's a problem. Why do you block wants to be only on the ground, man? It literally changed nothing. I've been trying to fix this for so damn long, it just doesn't not work. I've been trying, like what? Please, just why? Oh my god, I'm an idiot. I'm an actual idiot. I forgot to do this. Oh my god. Oh my goodness. But it still has the restriction. Hey, at least I can build now. Wait, I can actually build now. Yes, oh my god. I've been waiting 50 years for this to work. I'm not even joking. I have a wife, I have kids, and then it finally works. And then my wife left me because I just couldn't stop working on the game. And then okay, obviously this is a joke. I'm a child, like. And this actually works too. So I think we're done with the builder stuff. Actually, let's not end the video. So I actually want to test it how it would be like playing the game. So let's actually start the game. Please don't play it. Okay, I thought it was gonna be playing the music, man. Let's zoom out a little. Okay. I don't see the screen. Oh, okay. So let's see. Hi, I'm gonna eat you. No, don't eat me. I'm gonna build. Bro, how are you doing this? I'm gonna come around. Now, you can kind of do this, but I guess I can block her. What do I do? Right, I'll make a roof. You can actually do this, kind of, but you can still kill it, so, yeah. I thought I was going there for a second. Let's play again, so. Now, you can't actually build here. For obvious reasons. Okay. I low-key want to add like a system where you actually have to wait like 20 seconds before the dinosaur actually spawns in. So I'm gonna make like a simple like, yo, hello? Why can I not place it here? Okay. I'm gonna get ya. No, stop, dinosaur, that's clearly me. Okay, we do gotta make some changes. I will make the builder a tiny bit faster. Basically meaning that, how do I say? Basically the builder can actually escape from a dinosaur, but it will still be fair as I'm gonna give the dinosaurs like abilities like dash or something. Maybe like jump or like super speed, so you can actually catch up to the builders or just jump scare them by sneaking up on them or something. Let me just real quick fix the spawn low-key. And let's add like a real timer, like a 3 minute. Okay, so now it's 3 minutes instead of 30 seconds. But now that I think about it, 3 minutes is kind of short. So 5 minutes. Yes, 5 minutes. 500 cigarettes.
500 cigarettes.
Anyways, I think that's it for today. I'm gonna make part 2, and don't worry, I'll actually build everything with you guys, not do some stuff offline. So yeah, I think that's it. Tomorrow we'll probably add some dinosaur abilities, maybe block color customization, property material, and yeah, just make this game generally better. Also, let's delete these tools because we normally need to get them in the round, and also let's change this to use this to delete blocks. Boom. Okay, so now we're done for real. Bye.